Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Learning and Understanding Crypto with GH Crypto Guy on YouTube. Today we are going to be talking about gift cards. I'm sure those of you who are gamers or people that buy things online are very familiar with gift cards. But for those of you who are not, don't worry, I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about gift cards in this video. And I'm going to tell you about a new feature and a new product that Binance has launched in Ghana, which is Binance Gift Cards. So how do gift cards work? Think about it this way. If I am using a particular application and I want to buy something on the application, but I don't have the money to buy it, my photographer, who is behind the camera right now, can buy a card that has a code for that particular app. So when he buys the card that has a code for that particular app and he sends me the card, I can take the code, enter it in the app, and then I'll be able to purchase whatever it is that I wanted to purchase. So the card is either going to give me money for that app to use inside that app to make my purchase, or when I redeem the code, it is just going to give me that particular thing that I want. So the question then becomes, how does this relate to crypto? It's really simple. Sometimes you may not want to use Binance P2P to buy crypto, or you may not want to use your credit card to buy crypto, or you're buying crypto as a gift for someone else. So, what gift cards allow you to do is to put crypto on a card, I mean, on a piece of paper. And all the person who gets the card has to do is to go onto the Binance app and redeem the crypto by entering the code. Isn't this wonderful? This is really game changing for crypto adoption in Ghana because now we have more ways than one or even two to buy crypto in Ghana. So we are going to be talking about how the gift card works because I have one that I'm going to show you in this particular video. But before we get to that, if this is your first time watching GH Crypto Guy on YouTube, please subscribe now. I'm going to wait. After you're done subscribing, please leave a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or you want to see any kind of video in the future. So let's check out the gift card. Okay, so I said that they are physical gift cards. And before I show you how to use gift cards on the Binance app, I went out to get a gift card here in Ghana. There are a couple of places where you can buy a gift card here in Ghana. I mean, physical gift cards. And those locations are all in the description below. So I have a gift card in the flesh right now. Just got it, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is a 50 USDT, which is $50 worth of crypto on a card. Just imagine the things that we can do with this new product that Binance has announced. What that means is that every time you want to buy crypto for someone, you can just go into a shop, buy this, and give it to the person. I was about to say and like write a love letter, say I love you or something, and give it to the person. But maybe you don't love the person. I don't know. Why would you be buying crypto for someone you don't love? Anyway, I'm going off the topic here. So you can do a lot with this. The other thing you can do is for yourself as an individual. Maybe you want to buy crypto and you're not ready to use P2P or you don't want to use credit card. You can then walk into a shop and buy a physical card and redeem the card. Just then, you have your crypto on your Binance app without P2P, without credit or debit cards, and you have crypto. So it's really, really, really interesting. I'm going to unbox it to show you what it looks like inside, and then we'll go to the app and redeem it, and then we'll talk about virtual cards. So this is going to be a very thorough video. Like this is an ultimate guide to gift cards and how to use them on Binance in Ghana. Let's check out what is inside this gift card. So this is what the card looks like in real life, as I've already said. So excited to have one of these cards here. Um, so make sure every time you buy a card that it's sealed, just to ensure that you are buying a legit card that has not been tampered with, and you are going to get your money when you buy the card. Because if someone has already opened it and seen the code, then the person may have already redeemed it, and that would be a problem, right? So, time to open up. Okay, trying to open it up perfectly. Never mind. Okay. there you go. So taking it out of the envelope, and this is the card. So this is the actual card out of the envelope, and you can see that there's a code at the back, right? So you're going to have to get the code from the back, and you go to the gift card section in the Binance app to redeem it. So we are going to do that in a second, but before that we are going to have to get the code. So this time all I'm going to do is just take off this golden sticker. Okay. And that's the code. I really like the security features because if someone even opens the envelope, the person can't just take off the golden sticker, because as soon as they take off the golden sticker, it means it has been tampered with and you're not going to buy it. So now that we have the code, I'm just going to go to the Binance app and find gift cards, and then I would be able to redeem 50 USDT worth of crypto. But I'll show you that on my phone so you can see how the process goes. So let's transition to the phone. So as usual, we go to our Binance app. If you don't have the Binance app or you don't have a Binance account, please go ahead and sign up using the link in my description. You get 10% off every sports trade you make on Binance if you use my link. So go to the description now and sign up. But if you already have a Binance app or a Binance account, you just go to more on the home page, and you're going to see all the Binance services. Binance has a huge range of services. It's not just an exchange anymore, which is an interesting thing to see. I remember when Binance launched way back. Okay, so we are looking for gift cards, and gift cards are here. So gift and campaign, gift card. So a couple of promotions. You should definitely check them out. Okay, so this is the gift card section on the Binance app, and you can see that there are several gift cards up for sale, or gift cards that you can create to send to someone. But before we get into creating a gift card on your own, I want you to understand how to redeem. So I just opened the card that I bought here in Ghana, so I need to redeem the card. So I'm going to go to redeem, and there are two options. There's redeem Binance gift card or code, which is just you redeeming the crypto and keeping it in your account, or you can redeem and convert to fiat, which is to convert to the Ghana cedi immediately. So this is a good way for people who want to send gifts to people, and the people may not want to keep them in crypto. But I want to keep my gift card in crypto, so I'm going to click on redeem Binance gift card or code. And now I'm going to enter the 14 characters in digits and letters. Okay, so let's get started. Don't bother yourself trying to redeem this in the future. If I redeem it once, that's it. You can't redeem it again. And that's why I'm not bothered about showing this in the video. So please don't try redeeming it. So I'm going to check again just to make sure I have entered the right code. And that's always important, so you don't have to come back. Okay, redeem. And as you can see, it says 50 USDT has been credited to your chosen wallet. The card works. Awesome. Redeem. And I have redeemed successfully. So guys, this is really, really cool. Like really cool. This is a new product from Binance. We are seeing crypto adoption go up in real time. And this is awesome. So now that I've redeemed, we know how to redeem when it comes to Binance gift cards. But let's go back to the home for Binance gift cards. So in case you are trying to create a gift card and send it to your friend, you can look for the crypto that you're trying to do the gift card for. So maybe I want to send someone BUSD, another stable coin. I'll just go ahead and enter the amount. So maybe 10, right? And then I'll click on buy now. So when I buy the gift card, it's going to give me the details of the gift card. And then I can send it or share it with another person that uses the Binance application or uses the Binance platform, and that person will be able to redeem the gift card. So I've shown you the physical version, but this is the virtual version of it. You can just buy gift cards on the Binance gift card app, and then you would be able to send it out, and people would be able to redeem it, and that's it. We are all sending crypto to each other using cards. Isn't that wonderful? So that's how it works. I hope this video helps. Always remember that you have to go to the services section on the homepage, click on gift card, and you would then find the gift card homepage. You can see the store where there are gift cards that have themes. So Thanksgiving is coming up at the time that I was recording this video. There's the winter collection. I'm sure there'll be a Christmas collection. So instead of sending people biscuits during Christmas, you can send them a gift card. You can redeem, and you can also check your card history. So I've redeemed 2 gift cards, one that gave me 1 Doge, and this one that is giving me 50 USDT. So that's it for how it works on the Binance app. I've got a couple more things to say, so keep watching the video. So now we all know how to use gift cards on Binance. I'm really excited about the gift cards that Binance has announced. I would be buying more and just be playing with it. If I found out anything new, I would most likely do another video, but this video is good. It's the ultimate guide for anyone who's trying to use Binance gift cards in Ghana. I have explained what these gift cards are, how they work. I've shown you a gift card in real life, physical gift card. I've also explained how virtual gift cards work, and I've shown you how to redeem them. So happy gifting, sharing gift cards among yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, and remember to subscribe.